Hello, my name's Craig McQueen and I'm Sales Director for Lightware UK. Today I'd like to welcome you to our Experience Hub in the centre of London. In here you will find all of our latest technologies featuring our high fidelity signal management. From our Taurus UCX range, which emphasises the power of USB-C, our Cisco integration with Taurus, allowing you to create the latest BYOD standard with your legacy hardware, and also all of our signal transmission methods using our single point-to-point TPX technology, our 1 gig AV over IP technology from Vinx, and our flagship state-of-the-art 10 gig AV over IP solution, Ubex. We look forward to talking more to you about our product set and welcome to the showroom very soon.